A simplistic trading strategy successful traders use every single day that is easy to learn. That's what we're going to talk about in this video here, how you can use it in your trading to be more consistently profitable. An easy way for you to narrow down what it is that you look at is focus on something with a news catalyst so that you know there's going to be extra action in the stock. What you can do with news-based trades is only look for things that fit your thesis. If you find a stock that has a positive catalyst, well, you want to make sure that it's gapping up on that news. If it's not trading up, then throw it out. You don't have to bother with it. If it has a negative news catalyst and it's trading to the upside, well, get it out of there. You don't have to worry about trading that. The news isn't fitting the price action you're seeing in the morning, so you don't have to trade it. Sometimes the way that I like to go about doing this is when you're looking at your gapper list, only find the stocks that are up 10% or more or down 10% or more, and then after selecting these names, look for confirmation. Is there a news piece that goes along with it? It's not about starting with news. You can use that piece of news, positive or negative, to add to the trade on an upward gapper or a downward gap. So what is a gapper, you ask yourself? Very simple. All you have to do is look at the previous closing price, and then you want to find a symbol that is moving far away from it at the open or before that open. Perfect example here is going to be Lyft, which it closed at about $12.80 the previous day, and then by the time you get to the open, it is already down past $12. So you have a significant move to the downside before the market has evened open. On top of that, in this particular case, there was a negative catalyst. The gig economy was put under pressure, gig workers put under pressure in these companies based on the administration's possible targeting of that industry. So downward gap supported by news fits the criteria. The last thing you want to consider, of course, is the market sentiment. It doesn't always have to be with you in a particular sense, but why swim against the stream? You can have that upward gap, you could have a positive news catalyst, but if you also have the market sentiment going with you, that's 3 checks in there that gives you more confidence in your trade. Now, that's not necessarily a hard and fast rule. You could have an individual stock which does not usually follow the market in a general sense. In that particular case, if you just fit the 2, then it's not too bad. Gapper plus news can be enough. So when looking for those morning gappers, check out a resource like Trade Ideas, which has a great gap scanner. And as always, get our free watch list every single day in your inbox. Check that QR code below on the screen. And as usual, see us every single morning when the markets are open at TraderTV.Live.